I'm not a Muslim, but this year I will be celebrating Ramadan. Ramadan is a Muslim holiday celebrated by the followers of Islam as the month that the first initial revelations of the Quran were revealed to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The holiday is celebrated through fasting every day from dawn to sunset, the entire lunar month, which this year is between March 11th and April 9th. During the fast, you can't eat, you can't drink, you can't smoke. Fasting for Ramadan is meant to be a lesson in self-control and gratitude. Self-control to tell yourself no, even when it's difficult, and gratitude to appreciate what you have that others don't. So why would I, as a non-Muslim, want to celebrate Ramadan? Because I think that all Americans need a lesson in self-control and gratitude right now. My relationship, like everyone else's, with consumerism in America is unhealthy. We are all addicted to buying and spending so much that even when faced with the grotesque price of our consumerism, we continue to do it. And we certainly don't express gratitude for any of it. So for the month of Ramadan, I will be participating in fasting with no eating, no drinking, no smoking, from dawn until sunset every day for the month. And I will be doing everything in my power to move with kindness towards the people around me. I'm hoping to gain some perspective from doing this and learning some skills in self-control and gratitude that I think will be really helpful for me as a person, but also in my activism. And if you're a non-Muslim American who is struggling with your own consumerism, I suggest that you try this as well. And while I have you here, happy International Women's Day. The women in Gaza are using tent scraps as sanitary towels. So let's try to do something about that too.